is Fatia Auni. Today I'm going to talk about intercultural management, applying the nature of culture on the Saudi Thailand festival that I went to. The cross-cultural combination. What is called cultural combination? It is the process of exchanging meaningful information between individuals from different cultural backgrounds. These involve understanding and overcoming language barriers, cultural norms, and different communication styles. Okay, this is the reason why I choose non-verbal communication related to Thailand culture. As you can see from the event that I attend, you can see the Jew Louis puppet show. This traditional Thai performance uses intricate hand movements and expressive puppet faces to tell compelling stories. The puppeteers skillfully manipulate the puppets to convey a wide range of emotions and actions, creating a powerful non-verbal communication experience. The Muay Thai Championship showcases the art of Thai martial arts. Here, the martial arts movements, stances, and facial expressions communicate their discipline, skill, and the rich cultural tradition of Muay Thai. It is the study of how physical space is used to communicate. The market and food stalls are thoughtfully arranged to facilitate a welcoming and immersive experience. The flow of visitors through these spaces encourages social interaction and cultural exchange, demonstrating how the use of space can enhance communication and connection. The study of how time is used within a culture. The event spanned for 4 days with a detailed schedule of performances, workshops, and demonstrations. This structured timing reflects the Thai cultural emphasis on planning and organization while also allowing for leisurely enjoyment and exploration. In the cultural workshops, such as a floral arranging, handicraft, painting, and the timing and all the pacing are deliberately relaxed. Okay, last but not least, the chromatic, which is the use of color to communicate messages. Traditional Thai attire are adorned with vibrant colors that communicate cultural significance and aesthetic values. These colors enhance the visual experience for the visitors, drawing them into the festive atmosphere and providing a feast for the eyes. In the craft and art displays, the color used in the Thai painting and handicraft carry traditional meaning and cultural symbolism. Before I finish my videos, I would like to share the video of me and my friends went to the Sawasdee Thailand festival at Central I-city Shah Alam, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Puppet show, supposedly the 12, dia punya macam drag speed so. Jadi kita orang jumpa orang yang nak buat puppet, dia orang ajak ke sini. Tapi main je.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
my god. It's the price of the culture. Oh? Ini. Oh. Tahu sih. The fish is jumpy. Fish jumpy. Tengok lagi. Original somtam from Thailand. So this is the original somtam. They have apples, green apples, other apples, corn, cashew nuts, pineapples. They also have grapes and wine. So siapa yang datang accidentally korang merasa air tangan kita orang. Sign up. Macam-macam benda kita orang belajar hari ni. Kita orang pun dah penat, so harap korang enjoy tau.